What tumors does TCMVET Baituxiao natural cat cancer therapy support? Skin tumors includes lipomas, epidermoid cysts, basal cell tumors, melanomas, and mast cell tumors. Breast tumors includes adenomas, benign, and adenocarcinomas, malignant. Lymphoma affects the lymphatic system with low-grade and high-grade types. Oral tumors includes tumors of the oral mucosa and gums impacting eating and oral health. Soft tissue sarcomas includes rhabdomyosarcoma, leiomyosarcoma, and fibrosarcoma. Digestive system tumors affect stomach and intestines, including gastrointestinal sarcomas. Urinary system tumors affects kidneys and bladder, presenting symptoms like blood in urine. Neurological tumors includes meningiomas and intraventricular tumors. Eye tumors includes meibomian gland adenomas and retinoblastomas. Nasal and sinus tumors includes nasal and sinus carcinomas. FELV-related tumors includes lymphomas, leukemias, and blood system tumors. FESV-related tumors includes fibrosarcomas, rhabdomyosarcomas, leiomyosarcomas. Other internal organ tumors